Hello, welcome. Today we are doing another Amumu unboxing. Amumu, I like how that sounds. We've already unboxed one, so I'll make sure and add a card here so that you can check that video out after this one. By the way, I'm a music teacher, so if you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see song tutorials and unboxings, then subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's look through this accessories bag. The last one had it too, so I'm guessing they have the same things, but still, we will look at it. We have a clip-on tuner, and if I remember correctly, the battery is included, which is really good. Let me see. Yes, the battery is included. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth. We have a guitar capo. The guitar capo can be used on a ukulele as well. And then you can get up to 40% cash back, and you have a little instruction card on how to do that. And then you have a ukulele strap. Even if a ukulele doesn't have strap buttons, you can still use one of these because they go around your neck and then pin on the sound hole, and I'll demonstrate that a little later. Whenever we have an unboxing, I like to review the gig bag just so that you know if you're getting something that is worth your money or if you need to invest in somewhere else or in something else. And I have to say that Amumu is really impressing me with the quality of their gig bags. This is very padded. This is more padded than probably 95% of the gig bags that I see. The zippers are also heavy duty, and then we have a hook here so that you can hang it, or a handle over here. The handle is thick. We have backpack straps, 2 of them, and they're padded, and they have this like aerated fabric so that it won't hang on to odor, so that it will air out. And then I didn't know at the last one, but you guys explained it to me. This strap here on the back is so that you can like put these straps, the backpack straps, down, so that if you're carrying it just from the side handle, then the straps won't be going all over the place. But somebody else also said that you could attach it to something else, like if you have a bag or a suitcase that you're wheeling around. So I like that this gig bag has this strap here, and I've never seen another gig bag that has it. The front pocket is nice and deep, and same quality of zippers, and we have Amumu embroidered in the front. So I think that the typography is really nice. I do like that. And then another thing that sets Amumu gig bags apart is that they also have this strap here so that the ukulele won't fall when you open the gig bag. So all in all, this is a fantastic gig bag. I have no complaints, and I wouldn't ask for anything else. This is excellent. Alrighty, here we go. The big reveal. Just to test out the tuner, I added the battery and I made sure that it was working. Let me show you here, but it is working. I'm gonna keep that plastic cover on it though, because I'm going to give this one away. And you can see on the screen, hopefully it is working. Now, one thing I want to recommend to you is if you have a new ukulele and it comes with a tuner, don't set it to ukulele, set it to C for chromatic, because new ukuleles are so far out of tune in the beginning that the tuner will get confused if it's trying to tune for ukulele. So set it to chromatic or C, and it will be able to read all of your notes a little better. Alright, let's hear what it sounds like. That's a long little sustain for this uke. You hear that? If you have any questions about this ukulele, pop it in the comments below so that I can answer them in a future video. And if you have this ukulele, let us know what you think, because Your experience will help anybody else who's considering buying this instrument. Okay, I hope that you subscribe to this channel. I really mean it. I want you to be part of the family. I want you to play ukulele with us and learn with us. We do have a 30-day ukulele challenge, so if you're a total beginner, like you need to learn how to hold this thing correctly and everything and want to learn how to play songs, then I'll put a card here so you can take the challenge with us. But yeah, all right, subscribe, like this video if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!